Your dinner could be ruining your sleep. Here's what to eat instead. You get into bed tired. You close your eyes. But sleep does not come. You turn from one side to the other. You wake up during the night. Maybe you even wake up feeling tired after what should have been a full night of sleep. You may think the problem is stress, your phone, or your busy day. But there is another question worth asking. What did you eat for dinner? Your evening meal can affect how your body feels during the night. A very heavy meal, too much sugar, or too much caffeine can make it harder for some people to sleep well. The good news? You don't need a complicated diet to improve your evening meal. A few simple changes can make a big difference. Why your dinner matters. Your body does not simply switch off when you go to bed. While you sleep, your body is still working. It is repairing your muscles, supporting your brain, regulating hormones, managing blood sugar, processing the food you ate. This is why the food you eat in the evening matters. A large meal full of sugar and refined carbohydrates can cause blood sugar to rise quickly. Later, blood sugar may fall. For some people, these changes may be linked with hunger, restlessness, or waking during the night. That doesn't mean every nighttime wake-up is caused by blood sugar. Sleep is affected by many things. But your evening meal is one piece of the puzzle you can control. The biggest dinner mistakes. 1. Eating too much. Have you ever eaten a huge dinner and then gone straight to bed? Your stomach is still working hard while your body is trying to rest. You may feel too full, bloated, uncomfortable, sleepy, but unable to sleep. Try eating a comfortable portion instead of eating until you feel stuffed. 2. Too much sugar desserts, sweets, sugary drinks, and large amounts of refined carbohydrates can provide a lot of sugar very quickly. You don't have to completely avoid carbohydrates. Instead, choose better quality carbohydrates and combine them with protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. For example, sweet potato plus chicken plus vegetables is very different from soda plus cake plus sweets. 3. Too much caffeine. This one is easy to miss. Coffee isn't the only source of caffeine. It can also be found in energy drinks, some teas, cola, chocolate pre-workout drinks. Caffeine can stay in your body for many hours. So if you struggle with sleep, consider reducing caffeine later in the day. 4. Eating a very heavy meal. Right before bed. A large meal immediately before lying down can cause discomfort and may increase the chance of heartburn or indigestion. If possible, give your body some time to digest your evening meal before going to bed. So what should you eat? Think about your dinner as a simple 4-part plate. 1. Vegetables. Fill a good part of your plate with vegetables. Try spinach, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, green beans, tomatoes, peppers. Vegetables provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. 2. Protein. Add you a good source of protein. For example, eggs, fish, chicken, beans, lentils, plain yogurt, lean meat. Protein helps make your meal more filling. 3. Healthy carbohydrates. You don't have to fear carbohydrates at dinner. The key is choosing nutritious sources and reasonable portions. Try sweet potatoes, oats, brown rice, whole grain bread, beans, lentils, potatoes. These foods can provide fiber and help make your meal satisfying. 4. Healthy fats. A small amount of healthy fat can complete your meal. Good choices include avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, natural peanut butter. You don't need a huge amount. A little can go a long way. Simple dinner ideas for better sleep. You don't need expensive sleep foods. Try simple meals like Option 1, grilled fish plus a sweet potato plus a steamed vegetables. Option 2, chicken plus brown rice plus spinach. Option 3, beans plus avocado plus vegetables plus a small serving of whole grain food. Option 4, eggs plus vegetables plus whole grain toast. Option 5, lentils plus vegetables plus a small serving of rice. These meals provide a mix of protein, fiber, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. What about a snack before bed? Some people like a small snack before bed. If you're genuinely hungry, choose something simple. For example, plain yogurt plus a few nuts, or a small banana plus a little peanut butter, or a small bowl of oats. The goal is not to eat a second dinner. It's simply to have a small, satisfying snack if you need one. The sleep-friendly dinner formula. Here's an easy formula to remember. Protein plus vegetables plus high-fiber carbohydrate plus a little healthy fat. For example, chicken plus broccoli plus sweet potato plus avocado. That's it. No complicated meal plan. No expensive ingredients. No detox, just a balanced dinner. And don't forget your drinks. Your evening drink can also affect your sleep. Try water or a non-caffeinated drink you enjoy. Be careful with alcohol. Although alcohol can make you feel sleepy at first, it can disrupt sleep later in the night and reduce sleep quality. So if you're trying to improve your sleep, don't use alcohol as a sleeping aid. Your simple evening routine. Food is only one part of good sleep. Try this simple routine. 3 to 4 hours before bed, have your main dinner if your schedule allows. After dinner, take a gentle walk. Later, avoid large snacks unless you're genuinely hungry. Before bed, dim the lights and reduce stimulating screen use. At bedtime, keep your room cool, dark, and comfortable. And try to go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time each day. The 7-Day Dinner Challenge. Want to see whether your evening meal is affecting your sleep? Try this for 1 week. Day 1-2, reduce very heavy dinners. Day 3, add more vegetables. Day 4, add a good source of protein. Day 5, choose a high-fiber carbohydrate instead of a sugary dessert. Day 6, avoid caffeine later in the day. Day 7, look back at your week. Ask yourself, did I fall asleep more easily? Did I wake up less often? Did I feel better in the morning? Did I feel less bloated at night? Don't expect miracles after one meal. Instead, look for patterns. The bottom line, your dinner does not have to be perfect. And there is no single food that will magically make you sleep deeply every night. But your evening meal can support better sleep when it is balanced, not overly large, and not loaded with sugar or caffeine. So tonight, instead of asking, what can I eat to make myself sleepy? Ask, what meal will give my body the nutrients and steady energy it needs to rest well? Start simple. Protein, vegetables, a high-fiber carbohydrate, a little healthy fat, less sugar, less caffeine, and enough time to digest before bed. Because sometimes, better sleep starts before you even get into bed. If you found this content helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel for more valuable and informative videos.